Hi, this is just trying to do a better video than my 3D printed engine video I did a couple of days ago. This is the Class 08 engine. So I need to get them painted up. They cost about £9.50 each, which isn't bad considering how much we pay for model railway stuff nowadays. This is the Class 08 engine. The detail on them is very good. Well worth buying, really. I say if you're going to do a video like in the depot of changing an engine, these are fantastic. Especially if you get an old loco and you cut the body so it looks like the panels are open and fit in an engine. That's what I'm going to try and do anyway.